everyone else does the exact same thing. Here is the beautiful twist behind this psychological glitch. This means you are completely beautifully free. All that paralyzing pressure you feel is entirely self-imposed. Nobody remembers that embarrassing thing you said 3 years ago. Nobody cares that you tripped on the sidewalk. They absolutely forgot it 5 seconds later because they were too busy overthinking their own lives. We are all just pretending to have it all together, floating through the exact same cloud of secret self doubt. Once you realize this, the weight of the world certainly lifts off your shoulder. You do not have to perform for anyone anymore. To break free from this mental cage, you must follow a proven psychological prescription called external tracking. The next time you feel self conscious, look around the room and find three specific details about other people. Notice a watch, a shoe